Here I have Zyrex ZA987 and let me show you how to accomplish here using the secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the fonts dialer and let's use the first secret code. So let me open Android testing menu. Let's use *##, 4636 ###. As you can see, the following testing menu just pops up. So here you can use, for example, the phone information, when you can read the email number, signal strength, current network and other stuff. You can also run a ping test, for example, or turn off the radio. Let's go back. Now let's open the battery information. Here you can use such stuff as battery plug, battery health, or for example the battery temperature. Use the back key again. Now let's open here the usage statistics. Here you've got all apps from your device and you can read the counter and the usage time. Use back key again and tap here the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API. When you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks or get connection info. You can also go back and choose here the Wi-Fi config. So here you can configure our networks and use it right here. And you can also check out the Wi-Fi status to check the statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can refresh them or run a ping test. Alright, let's go back. Let me quit this mode. It's time to open the calendar info. So let's use *##, 225 ***. As you can see, calendar info pops up. So here you can read about events from your calendar. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use the back key. And let's open Google Play service. So we need to use the *##, 759 ***. As you can see, debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs, change OEM mode, or for example, enable the next alarm. Let's go back. And at the end, let me show you how to check IMEI information on the following device. So let's use *##06# and IMEI info just pops up in front of you. Okay, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.